Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on HONOR X7d. Okay, first I'll show you how to transfer the data from your previous device into your HONOR, and as a second method I'll show you how to restore the backup from the Google one. But you need to have already a Google backup created if you want to restore something. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video and I'm showing you how to do it step by step, so if you want, you can look for it. Alright, as you can see, we are doing the setup process. First select your language and click on Get Started. Now select your region and click on Continue. Click on Agree, click on Continue. Now connect to the network. Then click on Connect. Click on Continue. Okay, now we need to wait a little until the process is finished. Okay, now we have a possibility to copy absent data. That's the thing that we are interested in, so click on Next. Click on Next once again. If you don't have a cable that fits, because that's what the phone wants you to do, to basically plug both devices to each other using a cable. If you don't have a cable that fits, we can always click on No Cable, and we can do it using the Wi-Fi. That's also what I'm about to do. Then click on Next. Alright, now we need to wait a little. Okay, and now on our second device we need to open up the Google app. Let's do it through the Chrome actually. Okay, now click on Next. Now we need to actually type set up my device. Or actually, let's try to type it right in here. I have some problems with my internet, but it should be done any second. Let's type once again. Alright, now it went fine. Okay, so click on Next. And now it's going to look for devices. Okay, now compare both screens, both shapes, to make sure that they are the same. Now click on Copy on your old device. Verify yourself. Okay. Now it's going to copy the accounts, so again we need to wait a little bit. Okay, now we can finally choose what we would like to copy. In my case, I want everything except my apps. Okay, once you have selected everything that you want, click on Copy. The process will start, so again we need to wait. Actually, I think that it's going to be in the background, yep. Click on OK. Now we have the Google services. They are really useful, so click on Accept. Same thing with the backup services. Click on Turn on Backup. Click on Next. Now we need to select our default browser and the search engine. So in my case, I'll select Google Chrome and Google as my search engine. Actually, I always pick that because it's my favorite preset. And now click on Continue. Now we can enable the Hey Google sentence to launch the Gemini using our voice. You can even see that it has started on my previous device. We can turn it on. Why not? Okay, the process is still going. 2 minutes left, so we need to wait until it's done. Okay, now we can take a look that the copying has been done. On our old device we can click on Close. Actually, we won't be needing it anymore, so I'll place it next to me. And now click on Done. Okay, click on Continue. If you want, you can log into your HONOR ID. If you don't have an account, you can click on No Account. You can create it right in here, or simply click on Setup Later in Settings, just like me, because it's always available later. Okay, now we can set the screen lock. If you are interested in, I'll pick later. It's not necessary to do right now. In here, click on Enable. We can join. Everything is up to you, of course. Now select your system navigation method, gestures, or the 3 keys. When it comes to the gestures, you can always click on the tutorial to get to know how to use it. Okay, in my case, I'll select the 3 keys, then click on Finish. Okay, and now we are ready to use our device. Also, don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet, because there's a chance that some things might still being installed. So that's what I would do. Simply wait a little bit until everything is downloaded. But I think that in my case, everything is already transferred. Alright, that was the first method. Now I'll show you how to restore the backup from the Google one. Okay, when it comes to the second method, we also need to be during the setup process. Select your language and region, then click on Continue, just like me. Okay. Oh, something went wrong actually. Okay, first we need to, of course, connect to the network. So that's what I'm about to do. I'll type my password, then click on Connect. Okay. Then click on Continue. Okay, let's wait a few seconds. We need to wait until this loading is finished. Okay, again we have a possibility to copy apps and data, just like in the first method. We need to click on Next, but this time we need to select that we cannot use other device. Now click on OK. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Now you should have possibility to log in into Google account. Yeah. And now, very important thing, we need to log in into the same Google account on which we made the backup before, because if you log in into wrong account, you won't be able to restore your backup from the cloud. So now, simply type your mail and then the password. First mail, now the password. I just need to wait until it appears, the proper window. Okay. Then click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Agree. Okay, and now select the backup that you want to restore. In my case, I have a lot of them because I simply created a lot of them on many devices. Simply select the backup that you want to restore, and now select what things you would like to restore. You can restore apps, contacts, SMS messages, device settings. When it comes to Google Photos, Gmail Calendar, and the Drive, those things are synced automatically. So in my case, I would like to restore everything except the apps. Then click on Restore. The process will start. In my case, it will take like a few seconds because I didn't select many things. And now we just need to go simply through the setup process. So when you have Google Services, simply scroll down and click on Accept. I'm really sorry that this screen is so bright, but we cannot change the brightness during the setup process. Now click on Next to select the default browser and the search engine. I always pick Google Chrome as my default browser. Same thing with the search engine. I always pick Google. Alright. Now click on Continue. Now we can enable the Hey Google sentence to launch the Gemini remotely by simply using the voice command. It's up to you. I'll turn it on because why not? Okay, click on Continue. Now, if you want, you can log in into your HONOR ID if you have it already created. If you don't have it, you can click on No Account down below. You can create it right in here or simply click on Setup Later in the settings, just like me. It's always available later. You can in here set the password. Same thing with the finger ID and the face recognition. I'll do it later. In here, click on Enable. You can join the Experience Improvement program. Select your navigation method, gestures or the 3 keys. If you don't know how to use gestures, you can always launch tutorial. But in my case, I will stick to 3 keys. Then click on Finish. Alright, and now we are ready to use our device. Okay, now that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.